Indian government's Foreign Investment Promotion Board has approved a plan by Swedish fashion chain Hennes & Mauritz to invest $115 million in India. H&M is the second Swedish retailer after furniture company IKEA to get approval from India to start retail operations. Both companies plan to open single-brand stores there. Shilpa Kannan reports from Delhi on the Western retailers preparing to follow.
H&M is the latest in a series of global retailers who've announced their plans to enter the Indian market. The Swedish fashion house has plans to open 50 stores across the country, hoping to tap into the country's growing middle classes who are willing to buy. India is estimated to have a $500 billion retail market, and opening this up to global chains has been a cornerstone of the government's recent reform drive aimed at reviving the country's dampened investment climate at a time when India is facing one of the roughest patches in recent history with slowing growth and high inflation. Western firms such as H&M have been keen to enter emerging markets like India to boost their growth further, like UK brand Marks & Spencer, which is aggressively expanding and says India is their new priority market.
India is a very important market for us internationally, and we have been having good performance coming out of our stores in India. Going forward, we intend to establish a leadership position in India, and we will do that by expanding aggressively across the various cities in India. Our plans are to get to 80 stores by 2016, which then would make it the largest number of stores anywhere outside of the UK internationally.
There are reports that UK's Topshop, Japan's Uniqlo and American retailer Gap are all identifying local partners and could soon announce plans here. India allowed foreign single-brand retailers to own 100% of their Indian operations in January last year. After that, it gave the first approval to Swedish chain IKEA, which then announced a plan to open 25 stores by spending $1.95 billion, making it the largest investor in the sector. But many in the industry here are already anticipating challenges for single-brand retailers like IKEA and H&M, like dealing with India's bureaucracy or the complicated tax system, or even finding the right retail space as the country lacks high streets. But that's unlikely to put off foreign investors, where many are hoping that in Asia's third largest economy, the growing population will mean an increased demand for their products.